Hong Kong is a cosmopolitan, Asian's world city. It's famous for its festive and dynamic Christmas vibe. And now I am in Central, and then I would like to bring you to walk around to discover any fun and interesting Christmas elements. Let's go! Here we are at Landmark. Look at this giant installation. It's called Jinji's Gingerbread House. How Christmas and how festive it is. Every year we got impressed by Landmark's creativity to attribute to the festive season of Christmas. Let's go and find some fun Christmas elements. So Christmas elements, of course, is called gingerbread house. Gingerbread, one of the gingerbread. Another one is the Christmas tree, little one, tiny one. Look at this cute penguin. And then who's this little girl with the Christmas hat? Oh, quite a lot of cute penguins inside. There is even a cute polar bear. See how big it is? It's even taller than me. You can even go inside to immerse yourself in this installation. But I'm not sure that if you can get a real gingerbread inside. It attracts a lot of people coming here to take picture with this huge installation. It's so fun. And then if you want to ask me what is my favorite, I would say it's this big polar bear balloon up there. Isn't it cutest? Here I am at a very iconic historical site called Tai Kwun around Central area. The ground I'm standing on is called Parade Ground. Look at this, the giant Christmas tree, just right before the historical building. It's really beautiful, isn't it? But during the night, you will be so impressed by its magical lighting show. Next to the Christmas tree, there is a stage. The circus now is rehearsing. If you want to have some great time with your family or your beloved ones, come here. They won't be disappointed. Christmas is the best and wonderful season to create memories. If you want to capture your memory, here it is, a Photoshop booth. You can take snapshots with your friends or your family or your beloved ones. But there are only limited time slots for walk-in visitors. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hong Kong's Christmas atmosphere is not only in Central, you can find it everywhere, even in some little tiny coffee shop. But due to the time limitation, and I would like to see you next episode to show you more of the Hong Kong beauty and lifestyle. Bye bye!